Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Grok AI for free. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Grok AI and click on the official website from the results. This will take you to the Grok platform where you can explore its features. Once you're on the website, look for the Imagine feature. This section allows you to generate creative content by entering prompts. Type any idea you want, such as a unique scene or concept. Then click Submit. The AI will process your input and generate results based on your prompt. However, I can't show the results here because the Imagine feature is part of a paid plan. If you don't have access, you won't be able to view the generated content. Instead, you can use the chat feature, which is completely free. Simply switch to chat, type your question or prompt, and Grok will respond instantly. This is a great way to interact with the AI without any cost. So that's basically how you can use Grok AI for free. That's it for this video. Thanks.